Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm just going to do a few little coasters today, basically a test using jdiction resin. I've had my resin sitting till 37 degrees and just mixing my white. And I've poured, I actually poured the resin in to the molds, but as you will see, the resin temperature obviously dropped from 37 to 35, and my white I had to get the white to sit a little longer. And if you notice, the white is sort of a little bit watery. I mean, it could be at 35, it could be the right temperature. I don't know once I see it's bloomed, but it felt watery compared to the other resins. You can see it when it hits the resin in there now. So I've speeded all these up a little bit because you basically know the procedure. Just trying to finish the white up. And this is a voice over because when you've got your mask and everything on, it's a bit hard to speak. So I've mixed a little bit of pigment, transparent pigment, with a little bit of resin, different colors, and I'm just dropping it in to see the effect that I get with the petals. So when the petals bloom, is it going to pull the color with it? I just wanted sort of like a subtle pastel-y type bloom. Alcohol. And a little swirl in the middle. Let's clean my sticks.
That's what the alcohol does
Here's me trying to finish up the white.
to your beans. Talk later.
Now all those little dots there are basically when I was cleaning my stick, I sprayed the alcohol. Some of the alcohol fell on that, hence the little tiny holes. Hopefully it just pulls together and blooms okay. This is adding the black to the background. They seem to have bloomed okay. There's no, I can't see any holes. And the cats are just made out of the leftover white that I have. I try not to waste it. When you're mixing your black, make sure you mix and mix and mix till there's no streaks in it. This is me just adding a little bit of marabou rainbow. Just gives a little bit of a sparkle.
For the unmolding.
We'll see you for the unmolding.
love this mold.
Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those different colors. Just the petals have taken those colors and made it its own. It's so pretty.
Beautiful. Look at those petals.
And these molds are absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful to work with. And it's got a rim, which a lot of people like too. Like your glass doesn't. And I think once the silver goes on, I think it just changes the whole look.